Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me INFINIX Hot 11s, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on this device using household items. Okay, firstly I need to tell you that you don't want to damage your USB charging port and to use only softened plastic objects. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. Firstly, you need to take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. Then insert the one part of the brush into the connector and gently try to pry the dirt out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye!